Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Today I have two very special guests. My sister Summer, hello, for her first time, and my friend Kate.
Hello.
Excuse me, my second time?
Oh yeah, she was here for her birthday video, but this is her first time being in like the whole video. Today, we are going to be doing the Oreo challenge. So we have 8 different Oreo flavors, and we're gonna be blindfolded, and we have to try to guess what flavor it is. Yeah. If you get it right, you get a point, and if you don't get it right, then you just don't get a point.
Okay, so winner, there's gonna be a winner?
Yes.
Okay.
Winner, chicken dinner.
All right.
Alright.
Sam is gonna bring in the first Oreo for us.
So we've never seen these flavors.
Yeah, we don't know what flavors he got.
Me either. It's so silent.
So, this first one is an Oreo.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
Alright.
It's an
So it's on your
Oreo.
plate in front of you now.
It's Lady Gaga.
Oh my gosh. Wait, this smell. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is.
I know what it
Oh,
is
it smells
too.
good.
I feel like I normally like take my cookies apart, but I feel like I should try it with the cookie and the cream together. So.
Oh,
So
this is my
ready,
favorite.
go for it if you guys-
I already know this is my favorite.
Wait, can I?
Are we guessing?
Oh, we'll guess on 3.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh yeah, we have to guess at the same time. Hold on. Let me try it.
This one's
Oh.
good.
Everyone's ready?
I don't know. I feel like
This is my new favorite.
I know what
Oreo.
flavor it is, but they're probably gonna like name it something really weird.
We know what it is. Ready?
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's called Java Chip Flavored Cream.
I told you they were gonna like name it something weird. Okay.
Yeah, I was thinking it was gonna be like cappuccino.
You can take off your blindfold.
Oh. Are you bringing another one?
Those were good. Oh yeah, you can try. Here, we can just leave it on the table actually.
These look good.
It's a nice view.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do with all of these Oreos?
Eat them. Look, you
This is a good challenge for me because I actually don't like the normal cream and Oreos.
You
but
don't?
but that
Me
is
neither.
really
Me
good.
neither. I like the cookie part.
Yeah.
Alright. Hailey, do you need to get that removed from your plate so you can...
Why?
Oh, so you don't accidentally pick it up.
Oh. And like try it again.
Java chip
Okay.
again.
I won it.
Now these next ones are gonna leave, from what I read, a nice sensation in your mouth.
Okay.
It's funny because you like always almost give us hints, but then you don't.
This doesn't smell like anything.
Yeah,
I feel
you're-
like I might know.
you're right.
I feel like I might know. If this is the nectar of the gods, like I think it is, I was thinking it was gonna be mint chocolate chip.
Oh, there's
Why
like.
does it feel like there's Pop Rocks in here?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, they're Pop Rocks.
Oh.
No, sorry. I didn't say that. They're not.
Oh my god,
They're
I
not.
tasted it now.
They're not. Oh my god.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Really? It's like you don't want to win.
No. I'm not gonna say anything next time.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Pop Rocks.
Red, white, and blue layers of cream with popping candy.
Okay, that's a point.
It makes my throat.
I was gonna
feel
say, there's
so
a lot of
weird.
cream in
Oh,
this.
it's like fireworks.
Yeah,
'Cause it's red, white, and blue.
It's
That's
like
pretty
4th
cool.
of July
Wow,
movie.
they have 3. Look, 3
You can still
colors.
You can still feel the pop rocks going off.
Yeah, I know. I like.
This is
I
nice.
told you it was...
The Oreo design is different on one side. Did you guys see that? It's an American flag. We are really good
Oh,
at this
that is
challenge.
cute.
Cookies.
Maybe this is like their Olympics one. They're still popping.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
In my
I had
teeth.
like pop rock like shakes and it's
My mask has hearts. Like, it's like I'm saying, I love Oreos.
Oreo. Yeah.
Which I do.
She's the cream, we're the cookie.
These are special edition one. All right.
It's Lady Gaga.
Kate knows it, huh? We got these.
Okay, baby. Aw.
Got these. All right.
Sniff test. Ready?
Go for it.
They
It
smell
smells
pretty
chocolate.
Yep.
It
Normal.
smells very familiar.
Okay.
Oh.
I know.
What is this? Is it gonna be like chocolate cream?
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Gingerbread. What?
Hailey said gingerbread.
Oh my gosh, they're.
What'd Summer say?
Pop-Tart.
Okay.
Are we about to lift?
Yeah.
go for
What
it.
did you say, Kate?
Oh, I said normal. Is this like the Halloween edition?
What?
They
I didn't.
are Halloween
They-
edition.
Is it but is there a flavor to it?
Unfortunately, no. It says orange colored cream, same taste.
So technically, I'm right.
So technically,
what did
she
you
is
say?
right.
I said normal.
Oh.
They are.
But these are really cool.
I
They have
mean,
a little spider
But it's
web.
funny how you thought.
Look, they have a spider
Tastes
web on it.
different.
That's cute.
They do taste different.
Well, there's the flavor is spooky.
Yeah, I guess so. So Kate gets 1 point and Summer and I get 0 points for that
And
cookie.
Kate's already in
I
the
know.
lead.
I definitely thought I was gonna use that one.
That one was hard.
Honestly, I think these might be Hailey's favorite.
Oh.
Excited? I hope they're peanut butter.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, go for it, guys.
Taste. Smell.
Doesn't smell like anything.
Yeah.
Smells weird.
Smell like anything.
What is this? I can't tell.
I feel like it's normal.
I don't know.
Let's see if there's a little design on the back. Like reading Braille.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Design. Feel the design.
Ooh, it feels like a spider web.
Oh, this one says blink, blink, blink.
Yeah.
This one is a American flag.
I feel like I kind of know.
Alright.
I have 2 guesses.
Yeah. Alright, well, you're gonna have to pick one.
Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Chocolate chip
Chocolate
cookies.
chip cookies.
Hey, what were you gonna say? It sounded like you changed.
What did
Chocolate
you say,
chip
Kate?
cookie? I said original.
Black?
How do you know it's not original? It's not chocolate chip cookie either.
What?
Is it chocolate?
It's double chocolate.
Oh, it's probably dark chocolate.
It is dark chocolate.
That was my other guess, but then
Yeah,
Oh,
me
you made her
too.
pick one.
Me too.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dark chocolate.
Should have guessed
oh
chocolate.
my gosh.
Oh, it tastes the same as the cookie, so it's throwing me off.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, smell test.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this one's strong.
Smells good.
Ooh, it does smell
I
good.
don't know. It kind of smells like Play-Doh.
Oh, wait. Wait, I know this. Wait, let me think about it. Oh.
Have you tried it yet?
No, but I know this flavor.
Oh, what? Oh, I know what this is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know exactly what this is.
Oh, I can't remember the flavor, but I know this flavor.
I know what
Smell
this is.
it.
Oh.
Yep.
Haley knows. Kate kind of knows, and Summer's like, "What the heck is in this cookie?"
I don't know what this cookie is at all. I have no idea.
3, 2, 1. Marshmallow.
Oh, she's right, marshmallow.
Something
Marshmallow.
chocolate.
Was I right? Was I right?
Yep.
Yes.
I was like, I know this smell.
Haley was ready for her first
Yay!
point. We had some
Yeah.
chocolate
This one's
marshmallow
good. This one's good.
Oreos.
It's
Oh, I almost said chocolate
I should
marshmallow,
have
but
said
then I was
s'more.
like,
That's what it was. It was the s'mores flavor that I was smelling.
Yeah. Now for this next one, I forgot what flavor it is, so I don't know what to say about it.
what?
you
You
forgot.
don't have the box anymore?
Oh no, this is gonna be like
Oh, I
mystery or
left the
something.
box in the room.
I can hear you guys crunching.
Oh. This is good. I don't know what it is though.
Okay.
I almost know. Hold on.
I think I know what I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
I kind of know.
Summer, you ready to steal a point?
I'm taking this.
Wait, I want to taste the icing.
I know it.
Yeah.
Kind of tastes like cake.
Interesting choice.
I know what I'm gonna say.
Sam, don't say anything because you're gonna throw me off.
What?
I better be right. If I'm not right, I'm gonna be embarrassed.
Hold on.
I'm excited to see what Kate comes up with.
Don't say what it tastes like, Haley, because then that's giving me an idea.
I don't
Or
know.
makes me taste something else.
I don't know.
3, 2, 1.
Brownie.
Oh
Or
my
maybe
god.
hazelnut.
It's Nutella. You got it right.
Wow, Kate is spot on.
Oh my gosh.
I knew it.
I
Oh
said
my gosh.
brownie.
Yes.
Here is the hazelnut. Alright.
Wow.
Yeah.
I said brownies.
Yeah. As soon as I heard you, I knew. I was like, oh.
Dang it.
I was like, yeah, it was washing around my
Oh my
mouth. I
gosh.
could tell. I was like, this is
I
some
couldn't
Nutella.
tell. I don't know where I got birthday cake.
I got sniff
Did it-
test.
The design feels
Oh.
Oh.
Wait, I know this.
Oh,
Come on.
I know what.
Oh, I know this.
I kind of
this.
know. Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, I took way too big of a bite.
I know this. Wait. I really hope I'm right.
I know.
Oh my gosh, I know.
3, 2, 1.
Something
Waffles.
that's similar to
It's either caramel or butterscotch.
gingerbread.
What?
What did you say? Did you say waffles? Alright, so we got waffles.
I said
Butterscotch.
something that's similar
or,
to gingerbread.
or it's caramel, like salted caramel.
You know, like one of those
What is it?
hearts.
Alright.
One of those heart cookies.
Oh, it's dulce de leche. Oh,
one of those heart cookies.
it's dulce de leche or something like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Caramel is pretty close. We have caramel coconut.
Oh, it's Samoa's.
I taste
That's
the
what it
coconut
was.
now.
Samoa's. I was like, I know this.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
it's a
Very
cake. Oh my gosh, what if I accidentally took from your plate?
You'd have to be
You
like,
did that.
oh hi, thanks.
Mmm.
It almost smells like
chocolate?
I guess it smells like chocolate because
Smells
of the
like
cookie.
chocolate.
Smells like chocolate. Good job, guys.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I know this.
I do too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Me too. This is very familiar.
Yeah.
Wait, but let me
Alright.
see. Wait. Let me see if you're trying to prank me. Oh, okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Is
Regular.
It double stuffed? Is it double stuffed though? Because I know it's regular.
It is double stuffed.
Hey.
What? I call double stuffed regular.
I felt it. I was like, this is a lot of cream.
Maybe Hailey, someone should get 1 point in case you get 2.
No.
Maybe
Double
Mercedes
stuffed?
right on that one.
I thought double
No.
stuffed. I call double stuffed regular.
We're guessing the flavor, not how much stuff
Very
it is.
true. Very true.
Do you guys want to try some mixed flavors?
That would be cool. And so Sam is gonna mix together 2 flavors for double points.
Did you guys know I'm in the mime troupe at my school?
What?
I'm a mime.
What is that?
Oh.
It's like the people that don't use sound and they wear like the black and white stripes.
Oh my gosh, black
Like-
and white.
Why don't you mime something while you're blind?
I know. I can't really. It's hard. Gotta do. I can go down the stairs, up the ladder.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Alright,
I can run.
here we go.
Okay.
All right.
Now for
I'm too
training
sick for
purposes,
another
you're not
one.
allowed to pull them apart.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, because then you could try them one by one.
Wait, we pull it apart? Is
No,
that what
you're
you
not.
said?
No, you're not allowed to pull it apart. This is our first double.
Did you
flavor
mix
cookie.
it or
Yeah, I did. 3, 2, 1.
Nutella?
Dark chocolate marshmallow.
Oh. Okay. I
What?
didn't have a second one, but y'all are probably right.
I
I was
didn't-
gonna say
I didn't
Nutella
have a
and spooky.
second
So
one.
oh,
Okay,
wait, not Nutella.
wait,
I
are
was
we
gonna say
supposed to-
marshmallow and spooky. But
Are we supposed to take off our
I
blindfolds?
didn't have a second one.
Okay. What did you say again, Haley? You said
I said marshmallow
right.
and dark chocolate.
I said Nutella.
Oh wait,
just Nutella, Summer?
Yeah, I didn't have a second one. I
Okay.
couldn't think.
it's marshmallow and Nutella, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I was
That's
so
what I thought
close.
both of y'all said. Dang.
Wait, not dark chocolate, really?
No.
The Nutella's throwing me off
Right.
again.
I
Wait,
can
so-
only
so-
taste the Nutella.
So this was worth 2 points.
I
So
mean,
I
I can
get
only
1
taste
point
the
for guessing
marshmallow.
1 flavor, right? Right?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think
I
so.
guess so. You're just gonna have to be
I got one flavor, too.
Putting it together.
I was guessing.
Check this out, y'all.
Oh, I think I know one. I wish I could open it up because the chocolate always
Is
throws
this
me off.
mixed?
3, 2, 1.
Regular
Spooky and
normal.
double stuffed.
What'd you
It's
say?
all normal. It's
Oh my
all the
gosh.
original flavor.
No!
It is.
Yeah, you got it!
What did you say, Haley?
I said coffee and normal.
I could tell there was nothing
Regular
else in this.
and
I was like,
Halloween.
"Ugh."
I knew I was making up that coffee flavor.
Yeah, you were.
My hair's crazy.
That was a good one.
Oh
Sam.
my gosh. You made us think it was mixed and it's 2 normal ones.
I was like, only Sam would do that.
This is not
That
fair.
is a good one. You guys down for
I
it?
hope
Wait,
not.
when do we end? How many points do we end at?
Whenever you
We're-
decide that you're going to puke.
We're getting double points
Me?
in now.
I'm gonna puke.
Do it in the grass.
Are we gonna do more then?
Let's do one more. Let's do one more mix.
One more at a...
We'll just take one tiny bite.
It's going to be triple.
Triple? Oh my gosh.
Yes, Summer, are you ready for round 3?
This is actually 3 points because it's 3 flavors mixed.
Get ready.
Here
Get a bar?
here's what it looks.
Oh, I know one of them.
You do?
Oh,
Yeah.
I can smell it. It's strong. All right. Are you ready to take a bite?
Uh huh. One of these flavors is just so overpowering.
Yeah. I think I know.
You know one.
I think I know 2 of them.
Cate
I know 2 of them. I know.
on her face.
I know 2 of them too.
This is rough.
Oh my gosh.
I need to see if I can get the 3rd one though.
3, 2, 1.
Coffee, caramel,
Samoa,
coconut, and chocolate. What? What did we guess?
I said coffee Samoa, which is like the coconut one, and then dark chocolate.
That's what I said.
Okay.
Coffee, chocolate, Nutella.
I said coconut caramel, but that's what
Right.
it's called.
That's what it's called. I just didn't want. I didn't want to put too many words.
Okay, can we take off our blindfolds?
I guess so.
Did we get the 3rd one right?
No.
Is the chocolate one? Is
No.
it Nutella? Dang, Summer got it.
Summer. So Kate and I.
Coffee, chocolate, Nutella.
Oh my gosh.
She got all 3.
No.
No.
Oh, you.
Summer, all of you guys got 2.
No.
Summer, it's not chocolate. It's the caramel.
That was a lot of flavors.
Oh my God.
It wasn't bad, but it was bad.
I guess Kate won.
I guess so.
But didn't we all get 2 points?
Summer lost big time. She's sick.
I couldn't taste it.
Summer won though. Summer won. Summer went through it all. She ate every cookie.
Kate is the winner. She won with
Bravo.
10 points, and Summer and I have 8.
Thanks
for watching. Don't forget to what do you
Like,
say?
subscribe, and
Wait,
hit the
wait.
notification.
I'm waiting for you guys to be done.
Okay.
Oh, like it up. Hit that subscribe down below.
Yeah, bro.
Leave a comment.
And leave a
if you
comment. Oh, tell us what your favorite Oreo flavor is.
Yes, so we can try more.
No.
Tell us who you think the real winner was.
Oh yeah.
Not me. I'm not gonna try anymore, actually.
Yeah. Who do you think really won this Oreo challenge? Like Kate said. Let's start some fights in the comments.
Here's 2 Oreos.
Okay.
And Happy New Year.
And I'll see you next time.
See you next time. Wait,
Okay.
did it even start?
Yeah.
Sam, you started, right? Okay.
Oh, I thought we were just practicing.